Hi guys, in the previous lecture we worked on the alpha matte. In this lecture we are going to see the alpha inverted. Please make sure that you know everything about the alpha matte and try your hand at them, try a couple of animations. Also, if you want to follow along with me, please open the After Effects project Essential Reveals Techniques. And we go to alpha inverted number 2, and you have the alpha inverted composition that has only the layout, no animation, nothing, no mattes. I will work on the alpha final inverted here so you can get it at the end. What is the concept of alpha inverted? Well, it's better to show you. If I take a rectangle and just draw it over here as big as this, okay? Fine. Then I will call it matte. Then I will apply alpha inverted to the matte layer. Here you are. Now it seems like nothing has happened, because the concept of the alpha inverted is the layer that is matted can show everywhere and anywhere except under the matte. Cool guys? So I can see it anywhere I move it again, but under the matte it is not visible. This is very practical. So imagine I want to take After Effects from here, bring it over here, and then when I wanted to exit the animation, I continue. If I use alpha matte, then I'm restricted a lot for the animation. Like you've seen before, it can only move inside the matte. If I want to move it over here, I'll have problem. The matte has to be big and stories like this. So using alpha inverted in the right time, in the right animation also, is a cool thing to do, is an intelligent thing to do. Let's do the same for motion graphics and the car. I will take the matte and duplicate it. I will have matte 2. Notice that it is invisible, just duplicating this layer. I will click on it and put it over the motion graphics. Here you are. Then go to motion graphics. Okay, I will select the layer and apply alpha inverted. The same is happening now for motion graphics. You see? Cool. I will take the matte again, duplicate it, and just put it on top of the car. Cool. And apply for the car the alpha inverted. Very fine. Now I will select the 3 layers. Let's twirl this one up. I will select the matted layers, open position, and let's say after 20 frames, for example, or 15 frames, just over here, I want to keyframe the position just over here. Then when I come back to the beginning, I will now select all of them. They are selected. I'll click on one, press shift, and take them out. Okay. Then I can now play the animation. I will deselect, press F2, press the space bar. Here you are. Okay, they're coming out very nicely from this direction altogether. Of course, now you can come over and sequence them. Let's first of all take After Effects, the first one, motion graphic the second, for example, and the car later on. As you wish, you can do that. Here you are. Very beautiful animation. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's make it a bit longer. Fine. So now that you have created this animation, of course, remember guys, you can select the keyframes here and just press F9. Easy is them. Go to the graph. I want to show you this, and only select the position. Here is the positions, and we go of course to the speed graph and select all the keyframes just like this and make them very speedy at the beginning and slow. So notice the animation here. It's going to be quite cool. Very nice. If I want to remove from the screen the 3 layers, it's very easy with the alpha inverted. I will keyframe the position. Here you are, 1, 2, and 3. So they are stable. And then after 10 frames, for example, I will take After Effects this side, okay, and I will take motion graphics this side. They're going to be very speedy. And I will take the car just this side. Here you are. Let's give them more time here. Okay, for example, so much. Okay, let's play the animation now. If I play, they stop, and poof, they will get out. If you select all of them and apply motion blur, here you are. Notice the animation is very cool. Let's play it. Give it time to render. Okay, let's play with these ones. This is fast, this is like this, and this is even faster. Very nice animation, the way you would like it. So this is how you would use the alpha inverted to cover a certain area where you don't want the layers to appear, and you want the layers to appear anywhere else. So it's time for you to get your hand wet and start using the alpha inverted and the alpha matte so you can create some awesome reveals. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.